So if you want to get a Quibi free trial, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you want to download the Quibi application. So once you've downloaded the application, you want to go ahead and open it up, and you should be greeted with a screen that looks like this. Now if you don't know what Quibi is already, it's basically like Netflix for your phone, except it features 10-minute bite-sized TV shows, and these TV shows are actually high quality and feature real celebrities from Hollywood. So you want to click on Start 90-day free trial, and this offer may change depending on when you're watching the video. You now need to enter an email address you want to sign up with. You want to enter in your own password and read the terms of service and then click continue. You now need to choose a date of birth and your gender, and then again click continue. So what this screen is saying is that once your 90-day free trial has ended, you'll then be charged the full subscription amount, and you'll be sent an email reminder before this happens, so you don't get charged without knowing it. So once you're ready, click on Start 90-day free trial. Now you just need to confirm that you want to sign up for Quibi, and once you've done that, you should be taken to the Quibi homepage where you can start watching your 10-minute TV shows, and you should also receive an email about your subscription too. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find helpful as well. You can support the channel by donating a coffee with the link below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.